I really didn't think this was going to happen so soon, especially when so many print-on-demand companies are getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. It just pains me to see such a popular company get more expensive. Basically, Printful came out and said they are now increasing their prices, and that is due to a few things. So let's have a look at what they say. What's happening? Over the past few months, our suppliers, carriers, and utility providers have increased their prices, leading to a significant spike in our operational costs. Whilst reviewing our prices, we also noticed some inconsistencies between product variants. This has urged us to revisit product and shipping prices. On March the 8th, we're increasing prices for select products and their variants fulfilled in the US, Europe, Canada, and Australia, size 2XL and up, surcharges for products fulfilled in the US, embroidery markup for products fulfilled in Australia, some of their shipping rates to the US, Europe, and worldwide, and flat rate shipping rates for jackets and duffel bags. Right, so why is the change necessary? The main reason for changing the price is the rising operational expenses and supplier prices, which for some blank products have increased by more than $7. Yikes. So let's learn more and let's have a look at the new prices. So we can see, if we see product price, it will take us down to the bottom. Now we've got USA, Europe, Canada, and Australia. So let's do USA because it is the most popular. And I want to quickly say, before going through these price changes, recently, I've been making full-on reviews about print-on-demand companies. Like, I've done one for Print Tailor, Motif, I've done one for HugePod, I've done one for lots of different companies. I want to know, would you like me to do a full in-depth review and test out the quality of the products of Printful? So that means I would review their website, I would have a look at their history, I'd have a look at their future, I'd have a look at their prices, I'd have a look at the quality, I'd order a bunch of samples. Let me know if that's something you want to see down in the comments down below, and hopefully I'll create that. So let's just go over some of these price changes. This is going to be a very, very quick video. It's more of like an update news piece about Printful's new prices. So starting with the unisex basic soft style t-shirt. This is their most popular t-shirt that you're going to have on your website or on Etsy or wherever. And this price is increasing from $8.95 to $9.95, so a whole $1 extra. And then from 2XL it goes up even more, and then 3XL even more. It's really annoying. I mean at this point, $9.95 plus you're going to have taxes and shipping and all these other things. It's really biting into that little profit you already had. Right, and then the Bella Canvas, right, is going up from $12.95 to $13.55. The Heavy Blend Hoodie, $21.95 to $22.95. So it's gone up by $1. $18.95 to $19.95. So what I'm noticing here is things are going up by around $1. Okay, and when I say things, I mean the most popular things. So I'm not talking so much about, you know, a trucker cap. I'm talking more about the sweatshirts, $18.95 to $19.95. And to me, this just seems really crazy now that there are so many alternative print-on-demand companies out there, and I want to try and review every single one of them. I want to find companies in the UK, in the USA, companies who are really eco-friendly, and just a variety of different companies that are of course cheaper than this, because it frustrates me that this is becoming so expensive, and in Europe it's even more expensive. So it's gone from $12.73 to $13.29, $13.29 for a basic plain t-shirt. It should never be so much money, but unfortunately, because Printful is the most popular, they kind of set the precedence of what is print on demand, and not a lot of people know about alternatives. So hopefully in the future I'm going to create videos about alternatives, but again, if you want to see a full breakdown of Printful, then let me know in the comments down below. And again, this product price change from March the 8th, it seems like most of the popular products are going up by about $1, which isn't crazy. It's not like, oh my gosh, I'm now making no money. It's just a bit annoying because it's just a little bit of extra profit that you now don't have unless you start charging more, which could lead to less sales. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Had you heard of this price change? Does this change your mind about using Printful? What are you going to do? Let me know down in the comments. This is really annoying, but sometimes we just have to live with it. We can't do anything about it because we are kind of like a slave to the print-on-demand company at the end of the day. The only thing I can say, I can recommend, is if you have your own website and you're using someone like Printful and you're finding that a particular design is selling really well, like 10 or 20 or 30 a month or something, maybe you can go and get that design printed in bulk, and it can be so much cheaper. As well as that, your customer will receive it so much faster, because as soon as you get an order, you'll ship it out. But that only works if you're getting consistent sales of a particular design. Now, just a quick point, if you want to find out a way to make even more money with your print-on-demand business, especially because of this price hike, then watch this video here. It will tell you a really cool way where you can use your print-on-demand knowledge to make even more money. So go check that out.